So now, can I become a researcher? What skills and qualities I need to become a researcher? Let's discuss very quickly. It is not so important topic. So I will give importance. Okay, what topics is more significant for you? So the quality you will require, like technical skills, programming, mathematics, data analysis, data visualization, ethics. So anyone can ask me, I am not from computer science, I am not for engineering, so how can I learn programming, mathematics? Basically, if you are not from engineering and science and other background, you have programming language which is compatible to you. Like as for the social sciences, there are SPSS, you know, statistical package for social sciences. You can learn it. It is not about programming. It is about how to handle the data, how to visualize them, how to analyze them. So there is also and mathematics. You know, everywhere there are calculations. You have to find out the mean, median, like this. So some basic mathematics is also important. Data analysis, visualization, and ethics. We have lectures maybe on the 10 or 12, maybe 12 or 11 at the end of the semester course. There is a lecture on ethics, but we are planning to bring it out at the beginning, because you know ethics is very important. Before starting research, if you learn the ethics, then it will be helpful for you to continue this practice. And also these are the technical skills, and some soft skills is required to become a researcher, like critical thinking. If you see everything in general way and not in the bigger picture or in the eye of criticism, then it is hard for you to do research. So the one important thing is you have to have the critical thinking skills, then attention to detail. Don't skip, okay? Don't skip every time. See in details what's going on this research, on what is the related factor. So it may help you to become a researcher. And then creative problem solving, communication, listening, and collaboration is important to become a researcher as well. In the YouTube channel of BRWF BD, we have started a playlist. The name of the playlist is Handy Tools for Your Research Journey. Here, I have shown you the C. Can you see there is a full roadmap from research topic selection, download paper, literature review, and then journal quality checking, organizing RTL references, bookmarking and capturing, reference summarizing, data collection, mobile-based, web-based, and then data analysis, then data visualization, then data sources or code sources, then article writing and checking, and plagiarism, paraphrasing, journal finder, then social media for research. After you publish the paper, you have to share you can share in ResearchGate or Kid or LinkedIn, and then you have many teams. You can collaborate using Trello. So see, can you see the full flowchart of becoming researcher, what I have shown you in the previous figure? And you see in every topic, that means I divided into 17. Everywhere I at least discuss about maybe 5 tools. If multiply 17 by 5, what will be the number? Do you know the mathematics? What will be the number? 17 to 5. It is 85. Okay, am I right? So there is at least 50 tools you can learn. But if we are going to cover 50 tools in this course, it will take at least, I think, 2 years to cover this course. Am I right? So here we will explore the most relevant tools and most effective tools. Okay, there are many options like us. Okay, data analysis, we can use SPSS, MATLAB, Python, R. Okay, and we have also course on our platform on MATLAB, Python, also in SPSS. So we're not going to cover this in this course. Am I right? So we'll just see how to use them. So this is the important factor. So you can explore our YouTube channel and learn these tools earlier. So it will be helpful for you to cope up with this course.